Hi everyone, this is Wafalango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. Today we have gotten the first kind of adverb. This is known as adverb of manner. Let's begin the adverb of manner, and with the same kind we will be discussing the positions of adverb as well, where you are going to put the adverbs. We have got three positions of adverb: front position, mid position, end position. We'll be discussing them one by one. Let's begin the first kind of adverb, that is adverb of manner. Definition of adverb of manner is an adverb which tells us about the method of happening of an action is called adverb of manner. The definition says that adverb which tells us the method of happening of an action, in which method an action is going to happen, is known as adverb of manner. Like we've got some examples: happily, quickly, slowly, badly, carefully, well, fast, bravely. The adverb for slow is slowly, but that should be in your mind. The adverb for fast is as well fast, not fastly. Most of the students commit a lot of mistakes putting ly at the end and consider them from adjectives to adverb, but fast is also the adverb for fast, not fastly. Note, an adverb of manner answers the WH word how. When any question is asked about the method of an action or happening of an action, that is asked with the help of how, WH word how. And that should be in your mind. In second note, that is written, an adverb of manner takes end position. Always we put it at the end of a sentence. Now over here, they went home. How did they go home? We say they went home happily. Now it is adding something in the meaning of verb and telling us the method of an action. You called them. How did you call them? You called them quickly, adding something in the meaning of call and telling you the method of an action. She speaks English. How does she speak English? She speaks English slowly. Slowly is adding something in the meaning of verb and telling us the method of an action. I cross the road. How do I cross the road? I cross the road carefully. So again adding something in the meaning of verb and telling us the method of an action. So happily, quickly, slowly and carefully are adding something in the meaning of a verb and telling us the method of an action. And it adds something, it answers the WH word how and always takes hand position. You can see happily, quickly, slowly and carefully are taking hand position. There are some adverbs, sometimes they take mid position, first front position and end position, but if you want to say that my sentence should always be correct, you need to put adverb of manner at the end, so it is going to take hand position. Hope the lecture is clear to you all. Wish you best of luck for the next lecture. If you have liked the channel, subscribe it and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.